How to use Revolut in different currency. Follow these steps. Holding and exchanging currencies. Open the Revolut app and go to the Accounts section. Tap Add Account and select the currency you want. You can exchange money within the app at competitive exchange rates. Go to the Exchange tab, select the currencies, and enter the amount to exchange. You can withdraw cash in local currencies at ATMs worldwide. You can send money internationally with low fees using Revolut's international transfer feature. You can receive money in multiple currencies by sharing your Revolut IBAN/account details. Using Revolut cards abroad. Your Revolut card works globally. When using it in another country, pay in the local currency to avoid dynamic currency conversion fees. You'll get the best exchange rate automatically. Thanks for watching.